looking so good. This looking so good. So this is my stir fry fish with carrot and my okra and my broccoli. Now my seasoning. Hey guys, welcome back. I am here with another quick meal, and today I'm gonna use fish and do a stir fry. Here's my fish. I already seasoned them up already, but I didn't cut them, so I'm gonna cut them in some small pieces. And I have over here all my ingredients here. I'm gonna do a quick meal, okay? Stay tuned. Oh, yeah. Just a quick meal. I'm not gonna throw away my bone. Okay. What's this from? Didn't put any brown in, so I'm gonna put a little brown in on my fish. I'm just gonna take out some of these thyme here, put away this part, cut up, and see I have 4 cayenne pepper here. Yes, I'm just gonna tip off these. Yes, bust them in 2. Yeah. And my garlic right here. Okay, I'm just cutting up my stuff. Bust these. Okay. Cutting up my pepper. You don't want to cut all these things small, you know, to look nice in the pot. Over to my pot now. Okay guys, my Highlands coconut, organic coconut oil. So I'm gonna put 2 spoons here. And it's a big spoon, right? It's a small amount. Okay. Fill them in. And also my pepper. My garlic and pepper over here. my okra. You don't want your okra to cook very soft. Okay? I steamed the chicken last week. Oh my gosh. Done so fast. Everybody wants a taste. Okay, so I said, let me do a fish one this time. I have some dry season, onion powder, garlic powder, mix with that, some black pepper. Yes, oh Lord. Oh Lord. This thing is so good. It's in my pot. Okay. This looking so good. This looking so good. And my okra. And my broccoli. Now my seasoning. Okay. Yes, I have to give this a taste. Let me taste one of this. It wants a pinch of salt. I didn't put much salt in it because, yes. Okay. Okay. I'm finished. And guys, tell you the truth. I think I need a thumbs up. Yes. Give me a thumbs up, man. Subscribe to my channel. Yes. Okay? Remember to like, share, subscribe. Leave a comments down below. And I see you next time. Bye-bye.